Welcome to Lecture Enfant 2.0, an interactive and engaging reading program for young learners of French. Let's explore the student experience. Students enter a class code, select themselves from their classmates, and enter a 3-picture password to log in. A progress map shows the student where they are on their reading journey that progresses from the ocean to the beach, to the forest, and to the mountains. Below the map, the student can clearly see their progress within the current series of books. Students can browse through all reading levels, including series of dedicated Canadian content. They can revisit completed levels and explore current and future levels. Gaming features help keep students engaged and hungry for progress on their journey. Students can choose from over 50 avatars and change as often as they like. When working on a book, animal emojis are earned and tracked for every completed step. For every completed book, students earn a puzzle piece. Inside the student dashboard, students can always view their collection of reading incentives, the current puzzle, emoji totals, as well as previously completed puzzles. Now let's explore the 8 steps students complete for each book. Step 1 involves listening to the full book being read aloud, with a visual cue to match the oral and written texts. Step 2 is a short video focusing on word work. For Step 3, students complete an interactive quiz. There are a variety of question types students will encounter, such as selecting or dragging the correct word, matching words and images, multiple choice answers, true or false statements, and clicking on the image as per the instructions. Step 4 is an echo reading video where students listen to a phrase and then read the phrase. Step 5 is more word work similar to Step 2. Step 6 is a second interactive quiz. For Step 7, students must record themselves reading passage of the book. They must listen to their recording before choosing to continue or to record themselves again. Step 8 is the final step. Teachers can turn this step on or off for each student. For Step 8, students record a passage and send it to their teacher. Again, they must listen to their recording before sending. Students may record themselves as many times as they wish before sending a final recording to their teacher. For their recordings, students can also receive audio and text messages from their teacher. Teachers can provide feedback or offer encouragement. Now, let's take a look at the Teacher Dashboard, a powerful tool that allows educators to customize the learning experience of their students, track their efforts, and oversee their progress. The Teacher Dashboard is divided into 4 sections. Progress Overview shows the teacher the current status of their students, including which book they are working on, when they began this book, which step they are on, and when was their last activity. Any student recordings of a reading passage are also noted here and prompt the teacher to review the student's work. The Students section is where teachers can add or remove student accounts. Teachers can create new accounts manually or import student accounts from other teachers at the same school. They can also view the history of books and levels completed for each student. From here, teachers can also edit their student accounts, move students to specific levels or books, and customize the student experience. Teachers can turn on or off the Recording for Teacher function, Step 8, and can decide if their students have access to all books and levels, or if a level needs to be completed to unlock the next level. In the Levels section, teachers can explore all books and see the videos and quizzes that students complete for each book. Lecture Enfant 2.0 comes with an additional resource, a collection of hundreds of quality videos to help students improve their reading skills. Students and teachers can focus on basic letter sounds, consonant and vowel blends, decoding unfamiliar words, verb endings, vocabulary, sight word lists, and more. Thanks so much for taking the time to explore Lecture Enfant 2.0. We are so excited to share this reading program.